Oh, what I forgot to mention is another thing I tried on Linux for file sharing was the Python sharing method, which is actually the first one I did. It actually works pretty well. Um, all you need is to have Python installed on your um, on your Linux platform if you're trying to share files. And I think it probably works between PCs too, because it's really a matter of Python that does this. Um, yeah, I don't know if I wrote it down or not, but yeah, you start. I'm trying to let me do a web search. I mean, I did the research on Linux server, Python server. I might even have some other commercial programs. So this is actually built into Python. Simple HTTP server. I don't know if this is more of a technical document. Yeah, it works like this. Um, Basically, I mean, it's you type Python and dash m, and again, I'm not sure it's this. Maybe it is, but it seems like it was a smaller thing I typed in, like simple or something like that. And then you put a port name on it, and basically it sets up a file server. So I mean, it can be, like for just a particular location or whatnot. But if you go here, this is me actually doing this. See, this is the was the IP address of that server, but it's not not set up anymore. But but I put it on port 8000. So if you go there, basically that gets you into the file that you're sharing, or the folder that you're sharing, or what have you. Now the thing is, it's just a one-way street, though. You can only read files. I don't think you can, like, I mean, I tried, copying to the location, but I couldn't. So, anyway, but that's just how it goes. So, anyway, thought I'd tell you that.